Kenya William Ruto ritukoria rero nigo aomeranire n'abakenya bamenyete Chiaisiko RI'ENSE gwitania emerongene usugwitania Chinse emerongene ase nyumba y'obora ya State House aiga asomo icho Nairobi asa ABAAKEIRE mbuyamo na ase emerobiri bagenderete kwenekia yokoraria RI'ETA RIGIYA RI'ENSE iga na kwenekia kugendera kwimukeria bendera RI'ENSE igoro kagokwana nigatebire bone serikali yaye nigo yabikire emerobiri yo gokonya neba mbari bamenyete Chinse Chiaisiko okonya abamwabo abo bare ase RI'ENSE ya Kenya ase okonyora chinyomba chierigori RI'ENSE weterase omoroberio oboma yangu RI'ENSE nigo boigo aire okoboko omoroberio muya bokoboto kobokonyo bobwenia osha asatebire wikira boniga abakenya wetania chiribu chimi isano na merongene nigo banyare koba bagokonyeka weterase omoroberio yo asatebire ori ore ngorro nigo renge kobaundiria abananchi.
First, let me commend you for putting your best foot forward in different parts of the world. You have kept our Kenyan flag flying very high. And I will tell you that because I meet many people across the world, I meet professionals, I meet people who run companies, I meet people who run organizations, and the consistent report that I get about the people of Kenya is that they are the best workforce anywhere in the world. And that makes me really proud, you know. And it's not, these are not people who are Kenyans. These are different people from different parts of the world, running different organizations and companies. And we have a very good report about those of you who are working in the diaspora. Hardworking, consistent, reliable, little supervision, you know, that you cannot find that kind of human capital anywhere. So continue to give our country that good profile, and you can count on our support.